Hello everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kutte, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, JMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss MSc second semester first, that is course name of Solid State Physics. This is our first lecture in COVID situation. According to university rules and norms, today we are going to start online lecture. I hope we have spent lockdown period effectively and make also this online lecture series very interesting and learning friendly. Hope you will have enjoy and cooperate with this novel cause. So my basic motive to start this initiative is make this process interactive among us. Due to unavailability of technical inputs, some problem may be occurs while recording, and I am kindly apologize for this. You will have contact with me without any hesitation. Now in this course we have seen introduction to our syllabus. Now in this course there are total 4 modules. Now first module will be crystal structure and band theory of solid. Now in this module, revision of crystal structure, structure of atomic form factor, geometrical structure factor, atomic scattering factor, calculation for SC, BCC, FCC, HCP and diamond structure, revision of nearly free electron model, DC and AC electric conductivity of model, Bloch theorem with proof, Crony-Penny model, motion of electron in 1D according to band theory, Fermi sphere, tight banding approximation, band structure in R space and semiconductor crystal, cyclotron resonance. Now last topic is quantization of electronic orbit in magnetic field. Now this is our first module. Now second module, diamagnetism and paramagnetism. In this module, classical theory of diamagnetism, Langevin theory of paramagnetism, quantum theory of paramagnetism, paramagnetic susceptibility of conduction electron, magnetic property of rare earth ion and iron group ion with graphical representation, crystal field splitting, quenching of orbital angular movement. Now this is our second module. Now third module, ferromagnetism and antiferromagnetism. In this module, Weiss theory, Curie's point, exchange internal, saturation magnetization and temperature dependence, saturation magnetization and absolute zero, ferromagnetic domains, and entropy energy, Bloch wall, antiferromagnetism, nil temperature and ferromagnetic with explanation only for both. Now this antiferromagnetism and nil temperature. Now this is our third module. Now last module, superconductivity, dielectric properties of solids. In this module, properties of superconductor, that is Meissner effect, heat capacity, energy gap, isotope effect, that is type 1 and type 2 superconductor, thermodynamic of superconductivity, London equation and London penetration depth, BCS theory, quantization of superconductivity ring and qualitative discussion of Johnson's superconducting tunneling, microscope and local electric field, polarizability, dielectric constant, Clausius-Mosito relation, piezoelectricity, and last topic is dielectric behavior in BaTiO3. Now this is 4 module. Now in this lecture we will discuss introduction of solid state physics. Thank you so much.